today. So this time let's discuss how does Flosmore water flosser stand out from its competitors. Our water flossers are distinct from other brands on the market because they are manufactured solely in our own factory. We will be able to closely monitor and optimize every aspect of the production process, from sourcing materials to the final assembly of your products. This can result in a more consistent and high quality in the products. And we believe that our use of recyclable materials in compactor packaging design contributors to the well-being of the planet. We don't engage expensive celebrators to represent us in flashy commercials. Instead, we partner with dental clinics and users to minimize costs. By doing so, we are able to offer our end users a affordable price by passing on these savings. Our FL01 cordless water flosser is unique in its ability to seamlessly adjust for water pressure from 20 psi to 120 psi, catering to the diverse oral sensitivities of individuals worldwide, regardless of gender, age, or race. Moreover, each individual may have different oral sensitivities in various conditions. In response to the needs of water flosser addicts who desire the ability to floss anytime and anywhere, we have introduced the compact and portable FL02 and CY1000 modes to the market. The FL02 mode in particular features a revolutionary design that allows it to function without a water tank, making it the first of its kind in the world. With this innovative design, users can easily transform any bottle or cup of water into a functional water flosser.